Welcome back. Along with Goa, Lok Sabha elections were also held in 5 other constituencies of 3 states in the 4th phase of Lok Sabha poll. More than 55 lakh voters have decided the electoral fate of 74 candidates in polls for 3 of the 14 seats in Assam and both seats in Goa. The remaining one are 2 seats in Tripura and the lone seat in Sikkim.
More than 55 lakh voters have polled to decide the electoral fate of 74 candidates in 4th phase of Lok Sabha polls. This phase included 3 of the 14 seats in Assam, both seats in Goa, the remaining one of the 2 seats in Tripura and the lone seat in Sikkim. Polling began at 7 in the morning. Now the 5th phase of Lok Sabha polls will be held on 17th April. It will be held at Bihar, Chhattisgarh, Jammu and Kashmir, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Manipur, Odisha, Rajasthan, Uttar Pradesh and West Bengal. Bureau Report, Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.